Hi, welcome to Technical Expert World. In this video, you will learn about the banner designing. Here, especially, we are trying to put a text effect or text transition effect with the image where the text is located at the background of the image. So first we are taking down previous in our previous video you have seen the things we have done, and same things we are doing here, just the text is located or landed behind the city, and the text is just come on the background of the city. So like this text is merged with the sky and the city is located after the text. So this types of text transition used inside the banner you can do easily, or you can do it by programming also HTML CSS. So you can go forward our drop down videos that has been published in our previous tutorial, previous 2 months before tutorial. You can go for it and you will learn about the transition or text transition. So just now we will learn about the things, the element we are using here that has been downloaded previously from the website. So here the website we are using, the pixel.com and the iStock photos. So if you have any kinds of photos or images you want to download or you want to take without any copyright issue, you can go for the pixel.com and the iStock photos. So now let's go forward with the tutorial. Here you can see we are merging the flag with the crown, and the flag is overlapped on the crown, and now we are using the transparency for the flag. That's the crown is glowing or flowing. Crown is just viewing with a shadow shape or shadow effect. So here the crown we can see, or we can visualize the crown with the shadow effect, and here you can see or observe the shadow effect. And here also the flag will be the shadow effect when we will put the sky on it. Now we are putting down a sky effect, sky image, and now we will set the location for this image, and we will use one scale of transparency for the visualization of flag and the crown. Now you can see here the crown and the flag is just, you can observe like this way. So now we will put down the city. Before that we are putting down here text, then we will take a city, and this way we are making the banner. So here one of the things you need to measure, like when we are using the transparency, inside the transparency here the sharpness is required if you are using a banner or designing a banner. So how do you get the sharpness? When you right click on it and the picture and get the right button on it, here you will get the solid fill and the text transparency, and here you will get some exposure control system. So you need to just press on the images you want to increase the sharpness and go for it, look like this way. So now here we are using the text like Victory Atlanta. So just putting down the text like a simple way, Victory Atlanta, and our main target is this text is floating, or will be merged with the sky, and we can visual, or any viewers can visualize the things like this way. The text is located behind the city. So this effect is really very interesting for me, and first time I'm designing these types of things. And if you have any kinds of suggestion, you want to change something, just go for it, comment on the description. And if you need more tasks, you can go for the contact details. Here I will share with you in the description of this video. So go for it, and take a look here. Any kinds of changes is required, just go for it. And you can also comment on this video, and we will create another tutorial for the new things or new element. Here you can see we are fixing up the location of the Victory Atlanta, and here now we will set up the images of a city. And here you can check, here the city is coming with the background, is not removing with the quality, and we need to select the things we want to keep it on the images. And here you can see we will just remove the sky, not the buildings. We're gonna remove from this image. We need to put the buildings and remove the sky, so that's why we need to select like this way. In my previous video you have seen all of the things, so we are go forward, we are making it fast forward. So now you can see the city has been come after the selection or after the background remover. So here you can see the Victory Atlanta has been located or has been merged with sky, and it's just located behind the city. So this effect is really very interesting for me. When I have designed it first time, so really very nice. So thanks for watching my video. Hope this series will be very interesting for you, and if you are learning new things, so feel free to ask any questions, or if you have liked it, please like, share and subscribe. If you had any kinds of, you want to suggest any kinds of changes, just comment on the description or comment on the comment section of this video. I will go on it and create a new video for you. So goodbye for now. See you again for the next tutorial.